Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. So for today's video, it's going to be a luxury beauty unboxing. I bought a few items here from Rhonnel and I'm super excited to unbox with you guys my first Chanel purchase. My first legit Chanel purchase. Legit because I had a Chanel No. 5 Eau de Parfum before. I bought it from a friend because she didn't like the smell of it. I didn't like it either, but at that time, I really wanted to add a Chanel perfume to my perfume collection. Yes, I do collect perfumes, so if you want to see my small perfume collection, just let me know in the comment section below, and I'm willing to film one for you. So going back to the Chanel No. 5, I ended up not using it, and eventually I decided to sell it on Carousel. So now guys, let's unbox this together. I got 2 items from Chanel and 2 items as well from Dior. So let's start with this cute Chanel paper bag. It is the famous or the very popular hand cream or egg lotion on Instagram. This one is very popular within the luxury community on Instagram. So it did come with this cute minimalist packaging or box, and I've been wanting this for quite a while now, but I was a bit skeptical in buying this, to be honest, because of its price. I don't know if you can see it, but this one retails for 3,450 at Rhonnel. For me, that is quite expensive for a lotion or for a hand cream, but I'm not gonna lie, the reason why I decided to buy this is because of the packaging. You know, I'm a sucker for really good quality, aesthetic, very Instagrammable packaging, and you know, I may sound a bit shallow for saying that, but you know, it's definitely a matter of personal preference, you know, to each their own. So now let's open the box and see what's inside. So it did come with a booklet with the Chanel logo and everything. And now here's the item. This one is the Chanel La Creme Main hand cream. I don't know if I'm saying it right. So to open this, you just have to take this cap off. Guys, I have to say that this is really cute and well made. Look at the packaging. You know, isn't it cute? I mean, I love it. It has this glossy finish. I think the Chanel No. 5 version is matte finish. This one's glossy. So you're basically not just paying for the product itself, but also for the packaging and of course the brand. So yeah, this is the Chanel La Creme Main. So now let's quickly try this on my skin. So to open it, again, you just have to take this off and then squeeze a little amount on your palm. I don't know if you can see it. There. Why is this super hard to press? There. Actually, this feels watery, but not too much. It doesn't feel greasy or heavy or sticky. It's just the right texture or consistency. It's very lightweight and it actually absorbs pretty well. You know, it leaves a silky, smooth texture. I love it. And I love the smell. It smells fresh and clean. Smells so good. Smells expensive as expected because this is not a lotion. It is Chanel. Charot. So now guys, if you're going to ask me if I can recommend this product, well, I mean, it's really up to you because it doesn't necessarily have to be Chanel, you know, it's just me. You know, there's a lot of brands out there like L'Occitane or even Marks and Spencer. They have really good lotions or hand creams, and even drugstore brands. You know, we have a lot of drugstore brands that really performs good as well. So, you know, it's really up to your preference. But for me, I really love the texture, the feel of this. I love the smell, you guys. And again, it's really the packaging that, you know, sold me. So now guys, let's open the second one. Here it is, and came in this 2 paper bags. You know, I got this and I also got this. You know, and here's the receipt from Rhonnel. So let's open it up. So here's the second item, guys, and it is the Chanel double compact mirror. Double mirror compact. I'm not really sure with the name. That is the name, guys. I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah, that's it. I think it means double mirror compact. So this is what the box looks like. It's really nice. Again, the packaging is really luxurious, you know, with this gold accent here. And this one retails for 2,450. Yeah, I don't know if the camera is picking up, but it's 2,450 pesos from Rustons. So yeah, it's also a bit expensive for a compact mirror, but it's not a compact mirror, it's Chanel. Shut up. You know, I'm just kidding. Again, it doesn't necessarily have to be Chanel. There's a lot of compact mirrors from other brands. Even Happy Skin has a compact mirror that is really made of good quality mirror. But, you know, being myself, I just want a Chanel one. So it comes in a lovely velvet pouch with the Chanel logo, double CC logo at the front. I love this pouch. You can use it for other purpose. So here's the Chanel double mirror compact. Super lovely. Look at the shiny finish. Oh my gosh. It has the double CC logo at the front. I think the only con to this product is it is prone to fingerprints. Look, I don't know if you can see it. To be honest, I don't mind. You know, I just love how it looks. Very luxurious. Even the feel, you know, it's plastic but made of really high quality plastic. So now let's open this. I don't know how to open this. Here. So when you open it, there are two mirrors. The one at the top is a normal or regular mirror, and the one at the bottom is a magnifying mirror. Hence the name of this item, double compact or double mirror compact. So again, guys, this is the Chanel double mirror compact, and I'm super excited to use it. I love it. So now let's move on to the Dior items that I got. These are perfumes, and the first one that I have here is the very popular Dior Sauvage or Sauvage Eau de Toilette. This one's very popular on YouTube. If you want to smell like Nam Joo-hyuk or Johnny Depp, then you should definitely get this. This one's really a compliment getter, and you know what? I discovered this through the samples that Dior gave me from my last purchase. You know, it was love at first sniff. And I was like, I need to have this in my collection. And this one retails for 6,400 pesos for the 100 mil. I don't know if you can see it, but it's there. The price is there. So let's open this one. So beware of buying perfumes like this on Shopee or Carousel or Lazada, because there's a lot of fake perfumes out there, you know, claiming it's authentic quality or whatever. But for me, you know, I'd rather get it from the store or from Rustons or from the Dior store in Podium. So here's the box. It's just plain black matte finish with the Sauvage name here and the Dior logo here. So here's the bottle, and I think this one's refillable, and it has a magnetic cap or closure. I am not familiar with the notes of this perfume, but it smells peppery, it smells fresh, it smells like you just came from the shower. There. It's really a good everyday perfume, to be honest. You can wear this to work or to school or to any events. Plus, it's definitely long wearing and long lasting because I've been using the samples that Dior sent me before, and really it can last up to 8 hours or more, especially if you spray this on your clothes. It's really long wearing. Next up, we have here the Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. This one is the roller pearl version. I super love the box. It's very feminine. I chose this as size because I want something that I can bring with me anywhere. You know, this one's perfect for traveling. This will definitely fit in my small bags. So this is how the bottle looks like. Isn't it lovely, guys? And look at the details. Very stunning. You know, this one is a light floral fragrance. Basically, it smells like a fresh bouquet of flowers. And I love mixing this with the Sauvage. You know, they make a good unisex scent. So that is it for the things that I got from Chanel and Dior. If you like these type of videos, you may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless you all. Bye!